How to download InShot on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up your Play Store application and then on the search bar just search for InShot application. Now here you can see the option of InShot. Just tap on install and then it will start downloading the application on your device. Now wait until the app gets downloaded. So just make sure that your internet connection is stable and fast. As the app is installing on the device, after the installation process, it will start to have the security test factor. Now it's going through the security scan option. After the security test, tap on open and then it will lead you to the home page of the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.